Suppose if you want to do real-time development, how real-time development happens? First, you need to develop, then you need to test, then you need to put on production. It is called production. Means real-time is production. So in development also there are three things. Now in operation also there are three things. First, maintenance. First, maintenance. Then second, analytics. No, second is performance. Means good perform. Then third is analytics. Third is analytics. So in development there are three. So previously one project manager used to handle all these three things, and here one project manager handle all the operations. Now two project manager work is given to one technical person. So how it will be, how he can do it? It is highly impossible only. But this word they created purposely to cheat the salary. To cheat what? Salary actually. Actually what happened? This type of work, usually we have given one technical name for this type of work. It is called ERP. It is called ERP. You heard ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. It is called ERP. This type of word it is called ERP, and this type of word is called SEM usually. In business market, this type of work is called ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. And this type of work is called strategic enterprise. So they used to invest 4 lakh rupees for this. They are paying 50,000 rupees and they are asking the work of this 4 lakh amount. Now what they are doing? So it is actually a cheating word. I usually say it is a cheating word, but because market is going on, so we need to go. We also cannot do. But one side it is advantage also. Another there are disadvantage, but it is advantage also. Now there is no talkative person can come because in previous world 90% were talkative in software industry. And what they used to do, if they see any hardcore technical person, they used to take out him because 90% are talkative now. Because they know that this person is a hard work person. If you don't take out him, then he will become our boss. So this type of scenario is gone now. Now this scenario is not there. Now this scenario is not there. Now it is all hardcore person. Only hardcore can remain. Even a talkative person comes by chance, he cannot survive. So this development and operation, this is actually called DevOps. That's why we write O capital. That's the reason we call O capital, development and operation. Now again there is one problem here. Again, like take example of SAP. You heard name SAP? SAP, Oracle, Salesforce. You heard this? Okay. Let's take example of Salesforce now. Now, if you open a website of Salesforce, just imagine, just open a website of Salesforce. You will get everything, document, technical, everything you will get. Everything related with development, everything related with test, everything related with production. Everything related with management, maintenance, performance, analytics. You will get everything. But here in DevOps, you will get nothing. There is a problem here. You see now, here you will get everything. And here it is nothing. It is there, but you need to search yourself. There are things, but you need to search yourself. Here in SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, there is no need to search. No need to search because they have particular. If you notes like Microsoft, if you go to Microsoft, msdn.microsoft.com, all documents. Docs.oracle.com, all documents. Doc.sap.com, all documents. Docs.salesforce.com, all documents. But here again, there is no document. This is one major problem. Then document is there. We need to collect ourselves. Then there is one more problem. Technically also there is a problem. Here, what happens? They provide software and they provide the description of the software also. They provide software and description, how it works, everything they provide. But again here, there are software, but you need to take it. You need to understand. So, imagine how much it is hard. It is more, yeah, it is more hard than SAP. SAP is the most hardest subject in software. But this again it is more hard than SAP because in SAP also there are a lot of software also they will provide, document also they will provide. You need to just as it is, whatever they are providing, you need to do it. But here it is nothing like that. Here it is nothing like that here. Hmm? Getting my point? Hmm? Again, this see how much difficult it is. So again, then now how what is ERP again? Because this is all related with subject of ERP. So now we will go to ERP. ERP, you know, not general. What is ERP? How many? Okay, let's give 1 minute introduction. Like in a business, actually there are 5 departments minimum, which need to run same time, and we need to see same time. It should run at the same time, and we need to see 5 departments, different departments at the same time. That is ERP.
But how?
That is the how question is being solved by technology. Like one is sales department, one is purchase department, stock department, and accounts. Then above this, there is management department. Then above this, CEO department. So this is called ERP. Minimum there are 5 departments inside one business. Minimum there are 5 departments. These 5 departments need to be run. What is running on we need to see at the same time. That is the concept of ERP. So technology is helping us to watch all the 4 different departments at the same time. As example, in sales, suppose one pen got sales. So here pen will be minus and money will be plus. Then purchase will be plus. We need to purchase one pen. And stock minus. Here got minus. Stock got minus. Account is got added. At the same time, 1 rupee is been added. Yeah, getting my point.
Yeah.
So this is ERP. Now technically, how ERP works? We will see that technically how ERP works. Client, server, database, and integration to other system. Huh? Integration to other system. Then here it is business process. Means according to the business process, these technical things happens. And nowadays, inside database, data source is also added because there are a lot of data now. So that's why the storage of data has been defined differently. storage of data has been defined differently. So client, server, database and integration to other system. Getting my point? So technically this how it works. Now this is now here one software, here two, three, four, five. Five software should work at the same time continuously, then ERP works with integration, with again integration. Here integration is there.
So, but we need some more software now to do this.
Minimum this software is required. Minimum five software with integration working at the same time, then ERP works. Getting my point? You brought laptop? Huh? Not true? Okay, no problem. So no, because I could have told you to open some link.
The one was too, I can do in the back class or come to class.
No problem.
But it's too hard now.
Yeah, it is hard definitely. Even trainer don't know the subject, how they will teach it? It's a comedy type.
You know that.
No, I know. Other trainer I'm saying.
They do like that on this. Do the notes anymore.
Yeah.
It's too hard to do this because in the same time all four, five.
So this five software must run continuously with integration. Then the result will get. That is DevOps. So this is one form of DevOps. Again maintenance also. Again what? Maintenance side also. You must check there also. And integrate with development. Means two departments, na? Development plus operation. In operation, if some problem happens, same time that problem must come to development and development must solve the problem and then operation must happen. So this is five and maybe this is two or three. So these three and these five, so eight software work together to perform an action that is called DevOps.
That's
So
why they
you
are not teaching.
you oh, you have mobile with your hand? Mobile? Yeah, open mobile. In that go to images, you will get one image.
But how is this possible? Only one hour working
And Baba, there are already
same time.
Baba, there are already people who are working, so definitely it is
It's
possible.
only
Na?
eight software, not eight because that up one and this one five plus six is eight. Eight software working in the same time and selling same time.
Yeah, so
But how?
definitely it is
It's too hard
possible.
now.
Yeah, it is too hard, but it is possible.
But how? This confused.
Wait a minute, huh? Wait, give me some minute.
Why you want image?
No, because here,
Oh, the image is actor.
huh?